Hello guys and welcome to my channel. This is Jether from Jether Web Scripts. We talk about web scripts and everything. Today we're working on a courier web site. A courier website. Now, if you don't know what a courier website is like more like a shipping website, you see? So now this is the layout. This is the front end looking very legit and sleek. Now it works perfectly because you can make every changes you want to the scripts. At the end of this video I'll be not at the end of the video, but the link is in the description. But at the end of the video, I'll be telling you where to get the scripts and every other thing. But the link is in the description below to get the scripts, or you can actually contact me on WhatsApp to get the scripts, or contact me on any of my social media platforms to get the scripts. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification button anytime I drop an awesome video like this. So now, over to the website. This is Flight Security Shipping. It's it's a professional courier website with fully functional admin. This is the admin. Fully functional admin. Now you can add tracking details, you can print receipts, you can change the settings, and you can log out. Now these are all the tracking. Let's say add tracking. Let's add a tracking. Now let's just walk through the process. So let's just see how it looks. I'm sorry, I tend to leave too many tabs open, so I may be having some navigation issues, but there's nothing to worry about. I always find my way. Now, tracking, add tracking. Now, let's say sender's name. Let's just put something there. Yeah, let's put that. Carrier fee. Let's just put this. Sender's email. Let's put that. Sender's address is there. Status. Let's say in transit or on hold. Let's put it on hold. Then origin port location. Let's just put that in the port location. Yeah, that should be okay. Now this is the location that will be displayed on the map, and that's on the map in the website when you actually send the tracking ID or the tracking ID to someone. Now this receiver's info, the shipment weights, receiver email, other information. You can just put this, anything you want to put. It's your website. So now the dates, estimated arrival date, or the shipment dates. Today, let's just put today. That's dispatch date today. And the estimated delivery dates. Let's put that. And I actually always add 2 weeks, but let's just put that now. Add tracking. Now you should see that the tracking ID, that's the tracking number, will pop up after this is completely loaded. Now I'm sorry, but it should pop up here, and you can actually this is the front end, so you can put the tracking code in here and track your order. So now let's just go wait for it to pop up completely so we can actually go through it. Now you see it's actually more physical and interactive as well. It's mobile friendly and for extremely small devices and other things. It's easy to install and everything is right there for you to handle. So now why don't we walk through the installation process together? But before then, let's see how it is. Now this was it this yeah, this one, this is it. This is the date. So uh copy this, go over to this place, that's the front, and paste it in there and track now. Now this should take you to the tracking dashboard. You see the name and the receiver details we added from the back end, which is the admin dashboard, and the tracking ID will be here. The map will load up with a pointer, exactly the location you actually added in the admin dashboard. Now that should be easy. So why don't we walk through the process of installing everything together? How wouldn't that be awesome? Now, we need to go first to our file manager. This is my CPanel for those who don't know what CPanel is, but this is my CPanel now. You open your file manager, reload that. Now, let's go over to this one. This is a subdomain I used. I don't want to have my website. This is the subdomain I use. So, why don't we clear everything and start from the scratch? Okay. Now, we'll delete everything in here, every single thing, except for this. Why I left that one out delete is because I don't want to go through the trouble of trying to having to upload it all over again. I don't want to upload it all over again. So let's clear the trash as well. It gives us more storage space on our hosting. Empty trash. You need to know you buy a domain and a hosting open your CPanel and your hosting before you can actually do all this. You understand, right? So everybody should understand that part. You understand that that is easy. You should know. But if you don't know how to do that as well, upload. Now, let's say you want to upload it, you can just upload it from here. This is it. If you wanted to upload it after purchasing the script, those two files will be there, the DB, that's the database, and the script. But I don't want to upload it anymore, so let's just extract. I've already uploaded it here. So if you want to upload, that is how to upload it. I just explained that now. So now let's close that, and you see all the details are here. Everything is over here. Now we'll go to our PHP. No, not there. We'll go to our database. My databases, SQL database. If you don't know everything I'm doing right now, you can walk through the process and you're just like, what is it doing? Let's delete the database for the cargo. You don't know what we're doing, just like, how is he doing all these things? What is it doing? How did he get here? You can actually ask a question and I will tell you how. Or just what you just need to do, go back. I'm deleting everything, so this step doesn't actually concerns you because I you won't have all this. So I will tell you where you start from. So if you don't actually know this, you just need to go over to where you can purchase a domain and or hosting as well. Purchase a domain and hosting. I actually use a lot of platforms, but this time I'm using TrueHost. So TrueHost, domain and platforms. Then let's create a new database name now. Let's use testing. Create a new Watch the video and follow the step. Create it. Let's just say test. Create a database name. Database already exists, so go back. I think we need to delete that. We didn't delete it, did we? Let's say cargo. Create database. Thank God I didn't delete that. That was for on the website. Now go back. If you need my help installing it, I can help you do that. If you don't want to go through this trouble. And this database name. Now we need to go to database user. Another database user as well. Let's say cargo. If you have been on this platform, you know all this process. Now copy it. You need to copy this. If you know how to install scripts, you should know this is easy. Create a user. If you don't know how to do this, please let me know and I'll explain everything. You just need to message me on my WhatsApp and I'll walk you through the step, or you can actually just reach out to me for me to install the scripts myself and I'll do it. But if that is, we just need to go to our database.php, db.php over here. So we can edit the details in here. Edit the details in here. I uploaded a video of this whole step broken down to pieces, every single small step. But this is just for those who don't have time to watch everything. So I'm just going through the processes for the advanced learners. The beginners class will be previous. Is the previous video, and this is the advanced class for the advanced users. You know, you're already familiar with everything. So now let's just put the password in here. The password will copy it from the previous one. If you are a beginner, please watch the previous video. And the database name, we use the same name for our name and user, so we'll just do that there in the database name and user. Database user, there you go. Paste that. Database name, paste that as well. If you don't know how to do this, go and watch the previous video. I'll leave the link in the description and I also put it above here connected to this video so you can watch it there. Now I've saved that and go to PHP there we go. Go back. Let's go back first. Let's go over to the SQL database and open the SQL database. Go back. These steps are pretty rushed. I wanted a shorter video because a lot of people, I don't want you wasting much time. So let's just walk through the process. Basically, this is for the advanced learner. Let's add the database and the users together. Add or privileges, and let's add that. Make changes. This is for the advanced learners that already know everything about the CPanel. But if you don't know, let's reload this page, admin. If you don't know, watch the previous video and every step is right there. It's reloading. Everything you need to know about this whole step is right there, so it's pretty self-explanatory. Now over to cargo. This is the one database we just opened, so let's just open the database real quick. This is the one we just created. You can see the name, it's right there, cargo. So imports, we're going to go to imports. I explained this in details in the previous video. So just go to imports and choose file. I'm making this video for the advanced learners. Someone actually asked me that make it for the advanced learners. We already know everything we're saying in the last video, so I'm making this. Now this is the DB, the database, and it's more organized. This video is more organized than the last one because that I was going in baby steps for the, let's import that for the baby users. So let's just go to the imports tab, imports. That's for the newbies, but this is for the advanced guys. You already know everything about the cPanel, and you know everything. You have been on my channel for a while, so you should know. So admin, go to over to the admin. Now this is the admin username and the admin password. So let's copy the username real quick. There we go. This is the admin dashboard. So if we were to remove this and add admin at the back, this is the main website. Let's launch the main website first. Here's the main website. That's the front end. And now let's remove this database and just the admin. If you actually know everything about CPanel, you understand everything I'm doing right now. Just follow my steps and you should get it. Pause the video, go at your own pace. But if you know it's too fast for you, watch the previous video that is broken down. That is longer, it's a longer video. This is the smart web, not that, not that. Now this is not this, cancel that as well. Cancel this. Cancel now. Oh, come on. Cancel this as well. I don't want to open a lot of tabs so I can see what I'm doing. Cancel this. Cancel this. We don't need this. Do we? Just put this here. Now, this is loading up. Too many tabs and the network is slow. So slow. So slow. Welcome to Nigeria with slow networks everywhere. Let's close that. Let's just close this as well. Close this. Close this. Close this. Close this. Close this. And close this. So it will be faster. Okay, now this is the website. Duplicate it and let's /admin. Now all the tabs I close make it faster. I know. /admin. Now you should see that it's over here. I want to show you the password, so let's remove this dashboard and just put admin. I want to show you how to implicate the password. It's still opening here. Well, if it was you, it will open with showing show password and everything you get. So now let's just add tracking. Let's just add a tracking name, the sender's name, and everything. If it was you, to show password, so you can copy the password from the first part. Let me just fill this up real quick. Copy this password from the first part and the name and the password from there, and paste it over here, and it will work. You can see the procedures in the previous video. This is just an advanced and a clearer version because I noticed the quality in the previous video was lower. So I just need to compile everything in this video so you can see how it works in this video and see it's clearer. So if you miss any step in the other video, you can see it from here, you know. But if you don't know what I'm doing, if it's too fast for you, watch the previous video and fill this one up. I'm just filling up this real fast. Watch the previous video if you want a more step-by-step follow-up. But this is a more advanced approach and a faster approach. This is the video I will be sending with the scripts once the script is purchased. This video, the script and the database will all be added. Now we just created that, so let's copy the tracking ID and go back to the website and paste it in here. Now track your order, paste that in there and track now. Track now, it should open. And here you go, your shipment details. Voila. So simple and very easy. Now the step-by-step, this is the map right here. Now showing the exact location. The step-by-step process is in the previous video. I'm making this video for the advanced learners, and because this is a clearer version, the other one is actually the quality is a bit reduced, so you won't actually but it's more self-explanatory. It was explained very I explained very well in details in that one. But this is just for a more easier and a more for the visual purposes, so you can actually see what I did in the previous one in a clearer version. Get so that will be all for today, and welcome to my channel once again. Those of you that are actually in here, and those of you that have not subscribed yet, leave me a subscribe. Click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon